they will need attending to.
Not worry, Madam Maxine. Our gamekeeper, Hagrid, more than capable of seeing.
But you know, Shaggy, they drink only single malt whiskey.
Attention, please! I'd like to say a few words. Eternal glory. That's what awaits the student who wins the Triwizard Tournament. But to do this, that student must survive 3 tasks. 3 extremely dangerous tasks. For this reason, the ministry sees fit to impose a new rule. To explain all this, we have the head of the Department of International Magical Cooperation, Mr. Bartimus Crouch. My dear old friend, thanks for coming. Stupid feeling.